Hi, I'm Jake LaFleur, talking today about the Concrete Phoenix test, developed at the Cooper Lab at Oklahoma State University in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering. Demonstrated in this video today by Dr. Brett Robertson. The Concrete Phoenix test is a test for the water-to-cement ratio of fresh concrete. It takes around 17 minutes to run and can tell us the water-to-cement ratio of fresh concrete at the batch plant or in the field. This is done drying a concrete sample in a 1500 degree kiln. The sample size is a 4x8 cylinder of concrete. We use a cut down 6x12 cylinder because it's easier to fill and empty. To run the test, preheat the kiln with the set point of 1500 degrees. This generally takes around 20 minutes before you actually want to perform the test. When you're ready to perform the test and the kiln is preheated, obtain an initial weight of the empty pan and wire mesh and then the empty cylinder mold. Once these weights are recorded, fill and consolidate the cylinder mold according to C31. Record the weight of the filled cylinder within 5 minutes after finishing. After you've recorded the weight, dump the concrete cylinder into the wire mesh bag on top of the pan. Use a silicone spatula to remove as much concrete material as you can from the cylinder mold. Make sure to scrape it well. It needs to be within 10 grams of the initial empty cylinder weight. Once you've got the cylinder mold empty, use the silicone spatula to spread the concrete into an even layer onto the pan. Fold the wire mesh bag and then flip the sample over once the mesh bag is folded. Place the sample on the scale in the pan and wire mesh bag. Record this weight. Once recorded, use the steel spatula and the heat-resistant gloves to put the pan, wire mesh bag, and sample into the preheated kiln. Leave the sample in the kiln to dry for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes has elapsed, remove the concrete sample and place back on the scale. Note the insulating material between the platform stage of the scale and the pan itself. Record that weight and put the sample back into the kiln for an additional 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes has passed, remove the sample and weigh again. If the sample's weight has changed by less than 2 grams, the test is complete and the water-cement ratio can be calculated. The Concrete Phoenix can be deployed at the batch plant or on the job site in the back of a pickup truck with a generator. The Concrete Phoenix is a useful tool for concrete quality control and quality assurance operations for contractors and DOTs alike. Thank you for your time.